Ever thought about starting your own balcony garden? Well, you're in the right place. Balcony gardening offers a bounty of benefits, from fresh produce at your fingertips to improved air quality, not to mention a delightful view. So, are you ready to transform your balcony into a green haven? Let's start. The first step to a flourishing balcony garden: choosing the right plants. Considerations such as sunlight availability, the plant's mature size, and your own green thumb prowess all play a part. Beginners can't go wrong with easy growers like herbs, tomatoes, and succulents. Remember, the right plant choice makes all the difference. Next, let's talk pots. Yes, your plant's homes matter a lot. Consider size, material, and drainage when selecting. Larger pots retain moisture longer, while clay pots are breathable. And remember, good drainage is crucial to prevent root rot. So pick your pots wisely and make your plants feel at home. Now that you've planted your garden, let's talk about how to keep it thriving. Regular watering, fertilizing, and timely pruning are crucial. These might seem like simple tasks, but they are the secret to a flourishing garden. With a little care, you can keep your balcony garden blooming. And there you have it, your personal green oasis right on your balcony. We've journeyed through selecting the ideal plants, finding those perfect pots, and nurturing your blossoming balcony garden. With these tips, you're well on your way to cultivating your very own verdant retreat. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!